Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm 12th Grace. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing something really important. I'll be sharing my top 10 skills that every social media manager should have. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please turn on the notification bell after you subscribe so you get notified each time I drop a new video. So number one is content writing. Content writing involves research, involves writing, planning the whole content. So you have to have that skill. Some people are actually like a natural in the skills, but you can learn it. It's something that you can actually learn how to write. So you learn how to write content depending on the kind of social media manager you are. You could learn content writing for social media, content writing for websites, and all of that. So just learn content writing. Very important. Number two, content design. As a social media manager these days, what employers do, or what people that are looking for social media managers do, if you read their job description, when they put out job vacancies, they always say they want somebody that's good with designs. They may even be as specific as Canva or Photoshop or whatever design software that they want their social media manager to be using. So as a social media manager, you have to learn how to create content. Don't feel like, oh, I don't know how to do it, I've tried. Trust me, every designer had that point in their life where they felt like they can't do it or their designs were whack. But what sets them apart from other people is that they kept doing it consistently. They kept trying, learning, applying their learnings, and you notice that their design is like a different ballgame. Because I remember when I started off as a social media manager, I'm going to try to find the first design that I did, and I'm going to insert it in this video. And when I look back at that design, and I'm like I cringe. I'm like, what? I can do better. And then after every year, I look back and I see that I'm getting better and better in every design that I'm doing. That's because I kept doing it. As even I saw my first design and I'm like, I'm not doing this, it's not for me. I get discouraged and I will not be where I am today, like having the skills that I have. And I'm not there yet too, don't get me wrong, I'm not there yet. I'm still even learning, I'm still even paying for classes to learn more. But what I'm trying to say is that don't write yourself off just because you tried something once and it didn't work out. Trust me, it's going to work out when you try. So you can choose to learn how to use Canva. There are lots of videos on YouTube learning how to use Canva. I want to introduce a Canva series on this my YouTube channel. So let me know in the comments if it's something you would like to watch. Maybe because I started already, but I wasn't really sure if people were interested. So I kind of have to pause. So let me know if you're interested in learning how to use Canva. I know how to, teach in a very simplified way. So I can break everything down in different series, teaching you all I know about Canva and how to make better design. So let me know in the comments if it's something you would like to see. You can also go ahead and learn how to use Photoshop, learn how to use CorelDRAW or any other design software that you like. The bottom line is that as a social media manager, you need design skills. It's a plus. Many people miss out of jobs because they know how to write content, they know how to do this, they know how to do that, but they don't know how to do design. So everything is like together, right? Number three, ads management. Ads management is very important. Learning how to run ads, at least in the major platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So learn how to run ads. When I mean run ads, not just boosting posts or whatsoever, like learning how to target audience, have an audience, create a what do they call it, ad budget, different kind of ads. Is it conversion ads, engagement ads? Like, there are different kind of ads. Yes, you have to learn how ads work for you to be able to stand out as a social media manager. Number four, DM management. You have to when I wrote this down, I didn't know how to explain DM management because some people don't know how to manage DMs. That's just the truth. As a social media manager, you should know how to manage DMs. When a client comes to the DM, you should know how to respond. Probably I should make a different video so that this video will not be long. But what I'm trying to say is that you learn how to interact with customers. So basically, when a customer comes into the DM, it's not just about, oh, when a customer comes in, I know how to handle them now, I'll just greet them, no. There are also DM management that you have to be the one to reach out to potential customers or clients, and it's just a different ball game altogether. But you have to learn DM management, how to manage a client's DM. Number 5, online customer service or online customer care. So social media managers are so rude. Like, you see, they're like internet, what do they call these people? Keypad warriors. When a client is making complaints, you don't just say, it's your photo. Don't do that. You have to actually employ diplomacy and emotional intelligence when you're relating with clients. If you're managing somebody's page and a customer is coming to the DM making inquiries, making complaints, you have to learn how to respond to them in a very, very reputable manner, if that makes sense, so that you don't put your client at the wrong light. You are managing your client's page, you're managing their brand reputation. So you don't just use their handles to just type anything, or you have to learn how to have good customer service, like good customer care. Be nice to customer, be polite, and even when they are being rude, some customers can be very rude. You have to learn how to hold their safe. Do not talk anyhow. Do you understand? Just calm down. Just calm down. Everything's gonna be fine. Just calm down. Customers are always right? Just calm down. The next one is video editing. Now, when I mean video editing, I don't mean like hardcore video editing. How Premiere Pro looks like now. Like, everything is just so complicated. Adobe Illustrator, everything's like, what's going on here? That's not what I'm talking about, video editing. So what I'm talking about very simple mobile video editing. That basic. Learn how to be able to cut, trim, copy, paste, add text, add music, and all of that in a very nice manner, because now video is taking over. And Reels on Instagram, Reels is on Facebook, all this platform, they have stories, they have Twitter stories, they have LinkedIn. Every platform is trying to inculcate videos. So videos is the new oil in marketing. So it's something that you should be able to know how to do, so you can learn how to edit videos for your clients. Your client makes a video, you should be able to edit it, you should be able to trim it, cut it, all those normal basic editing. You have to learn it. There are different free applications on your mobile applications. You have InShot, you have Yen, have CapCut, you have a lot of video editing, mobile video editing software. So just pick the one you want and learn how to use it. It's that simple. The next one is community management. Many people or many clients, especially personal brand, that's coaches, they have community. It would be a plus for you to have community management skills, being able to manage a community, maybe a Facebook community, a Telegram community, or it depends, any kind of community, online community. You have to learn how to be able to manage the community, how to keep them engaged, how to interact, just how to keep the community going and not just boring. They have WhatsApp community also, so it's a plus to have that skill. Another skill is strategy planning. When you're managing a client's page, you have to have a strategy. You don't just wake up in the morning and just start posting, start creating content. No, you have to sit down and plan the strategy. What kind of posts? What is the goal? First of all, okay, this is the goal. Okay, right, we want to have more followers, want to have more reach. Okay, these are the kind of things we want to create, because these are the kind of things we want them to know about the brand. So we create content around this brand. This is how many content we'll create. This is the posting times. This is how we track the engagement. This is how we do metrics and everything, strategy planning. Write a strategy plan for your client so that you can be able to break down, how from your goals and how you achieve the goals, right? By the way, I just want to put this out there. If you have any video that you would like me to make concerning social media management, content creation tips, or just let me know in the comments. I would love to create it for you. The next one is email marketing. Email marketing, I'm going to just add it together with the last one, which is SEO. SEO knowledge is something that I'm not exactly there yet. It's something that I'm still learning. I'm not really strong in it, but trust me, I missed out of a job because I did not know anything about SEO. That was actually what motivated me to start even learning it. But it's a huge plus if you know SEO, you have knowledge of SEO. That's search engine optimization. So if you don't know it, please go and learn it. Also, email marketing. Email marketing too is good. Then email marketing, how to write emails, you know, reach out to new clients or prospects or whatnot. Just learn how to write an email, you know, the body, the headline, you know, and all of that. So just learn email marketing. So for me, these are the 10 top skills every social media manager should have. There are other soft skills, so these are just hard skills. There are of course soft skills. I don't want to make this video long, that's why I didn't add the soft skills. I'm gonna make another video for the soft skills. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also turn on the notification bell down below so that I get notified each time I post a new video. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.